Karon guys, mag-shake ta og dragon fruit. Kabaw mo ning dragon fruit guys. Rich niya sa vitamin A. You know vitamin A? To make feel skin, young. It rich in antioxidant to clean our colon. Yeah. This is the dragon fruit. Rich in vitamin A, C, B3, B6. That's it. Iron, calcium, potassium. You eat dragon fruit every day. Every morning. Kaya rich niya sa vitamins, pang bata, pang looking young. Like me, I'm 40, but I'm look 20. Charot. Karon ato nang i-shake guys. Dera. Oh my God. Ito ka mo guys. Dugaya ko mo na. Ang kailan dyan hindi ka mo. Yan, shake na siya. Kung gusto na mo palit o ginani guys, order lang mo guys. Nako'y baligya. Ayan. Finish na. You can drink this. Ang gisagula na siya og milk powder kay magkoy condense. So powder na lang nga milk and then sugar. That's it. And then I will put it into a glass like this. See? That's it. Looks delicious. You want? Yummy. Come on guys. Inom naman eh. Pang-healthy. Anti-cancer pa. Thank you for watching. Mga anak ug agtang.